Hi and welcome back. Today I would like to show you how to install R in our computers. For that we go to cran.rproject.org and we choose the mirror where we would like to download the R file. Then download it for R or for Linux or for Mac, it depends your operative system. We select install R for the first time. It's important. We can see the latest version of R. Mostly important too because there are some packages that don't run in a previous version of R, so it's better if you have the latest version of R in your laptop or your computer. We select a setup language, that the setup R for Windows in my case. Choose the different options. If I am working with a 64 or 32-bit computer, start menu folder, create a desktop shortcut, and we install and let the installation continue. And we can have here the R command, open it, and next we will install the R Studio. It's important to know that we need the R console before installing R Studio. And we did it.